So you want to get on DMR, you want to get on D-star, and you want to talk to them, but you don't have the radio for it? Well, we have an interesting way to fix that coming up. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to VA3FUC Ham Radio. My name is Ron. I am an amateur radio operator. I've been in amateur radio since 2019. So, yeah, I'm still very fresh in the whole world, but I've been diving mostly into digital modes. And that's only because I have a basic license. I haven't gotten to HF yet. That's my next goal, is to pass my test again and get my permissions to go on those bands. But I've been looking at a program called Peanut. Peanut is a DMR / D-star radio connection. So say if you don't have the digital modes available on your radios, you can still access the digital modes via the internet. Yes, I know it's not like ham radio where you're pressing a button and going CQ, CQ, or calling out, or just, dialing into your repeater and giving out your call sign. I understand that. But this is a way to get introduced to DMR and D-star, see if you like it or not. Anyways, let's go over to the screen and I'll show you the program and the person who makes it. So, with magic of the internet, this is his website. His call sign is Papa Alpha 7 Lima India Mike. His name is Dave. And you can find this by going to Papa Alpha 7 Lima India Mike .nl/peanut, or just type in Peanut Ham Radio. That's all I found out about this program. And Peanut's a little bit different because not only is it simple to use, it's actually fairly easy to get set up. What I like about it will also work on an Android device. So if you have a cell phone, you can make it work as an amateur radio. If you have Windows 7, 8, and 10 do work with this. And to find out if you have all the requirements, he's actually added a D-star and DMR check. And if you click on it, it'll tell you if you have your DMR and if you have your D-star activated. And you also have to make a request for his code to operate the software. That only takes a few minutes of your time. Once you get all that, you're ready to go and you're rocking. The program takes about a few minutes to install to get going, but we're going to go right into the software and have a look at it. So all my information's in here, so I do apologize if it doesn't make any sense. But setup, you type in your login, you type in your DMR ID. You can also use the query buttons to look that up. Same with your D-star, you hit query, it'll look up your D-star information. Then you get your code from the website. It'll send you an email giving you your code. Device, I'm putting in a sound card. Master, I just left it in global. That gives you all around the world, but you can set it for USA or you can set it for Japan, but you have full access to everything around the world. You have your PPT button, your PTT button. I am setting this to go out to my speakers so that you guys can hear what I hear. And I'm going to hit save. And that's it. That's all you have to set up. How is the audio quality on Peanut? Well, why don't we go check out? So I'm going to go to one of my clock groups I'm familiar with. So I'm going to go to Canada. CQ Canada will take you to Canada 302, which not a lot of traffic on that lately. I don't know why. But I'm going to go to the XLX 32D, 302D. 302D is Canada is Ontario wide talk group 3023, I want to say. Oh, it's an easy way to find out. And just to verify that. We're going to log into the Pi Star dashboard. And here it is right here. So as you can see, there's been some activity here today. I've been talking to a few people, but nothing really big. So I'm also going to power up my radio here and see if we can get anybody to reply to us. So we're going to turn the radio on. It's connected. Ontario Crosslink.
Channel mode 5.
Okay. Oh, we got someone on there. Someone just queued up. Why don't we make a QSO? Well, I'm going to listen. Yeah, I'm going to turn my radio. I got my radio on so I can hear him, but I won't be able to hear him. So I'm going to turn you guys on so you guys can hear him. I'm going to be listening through this radio here. So I do apologize. VA3 FUC listening.
VA3 FUC listening.
As you can hear that pretty clearly. It looked like there was a VA3 AGZ that tried to log in. Well, we'll see what happens. Nothing yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to broadcast on this radio so you guys can hear what it sounds like over the desktop audio. Hopefully it'll come through. VA3 FUC testing.
VA3 FUC testing out crosslink ability using Peanut.
And we'll see if anybody comes back.
Hello, V3FUC. V3RM. You sound fairly good, so your testing is working.
I'll have to say thank you to him. That was VE3RM. VE3RM, this is VA3.
V3RM, this is VA3FUC. Thank you so much for the test back, 73. No problem. Have a good day. V3RM.
And right there, you just heard it. I made a QSO. Was able to get connected to it. I just turned it off so we don't get any interruptions. So, like I said, this was going to be a short video. There's not really much to talk about. But if you did find this interesting, I want you to hit that like button. And, let me know if there's anything else that you would like to know about this program. If you're having issues, you can contact him. You can also contact me down in the comments down below. I'll be more than happy enough to see what I can do to help you out. If you found this video interesting and you want to see the other stuff I've kind of put out, click on the subscribe button. You may not understand this, but because the way YouTube's been lately, ring that bell, because honestly, YouTube doesn't seem to want to tell you when new videos come out from my channel. I had about 8 people contact me telling me, did you put out a new video? I'm like, yeah, I did put out a new video, but for some strange reason, YouTube didn't want to tell you about it. I don't know what's going on, but it is something to look at. But if you're looking for a way to get your feet wet in DMR and in D-star and play around with this, I do recommend getting this program and giving it a shot. Anyways, everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you, like I said, if you want to help out the channel the most way, just tell a friend. If you know someone that's getting into amateur radio that might find this interesting, please let them know about it. Anyway, thank you all once again, and 73.